The agent status page shows a real-time view of what each agent is working on and for how long, helping you identify agents who are out of adherence and gain an understanding of what or who is slowing the team down, providing you with the context to make operational decisions on the go. Let's take a look. Hover over the agent folder at the top of the page and select Agent Status to access. You can sort your agents by group, team, and location, or in alphabetical order by selecting All Agents. In my example, we use a team-based structure, so I will sort by teams. The Activity column shows the task or work stream the agent is currently working on. The ticket number allows you to click directly into the ticket in Zendesk that the agent is handling. Activity duration lets you see how long the agent has spent on this task so far, and the adherence sections displays whether the agent is following their schedule and how long they've been in their current adherence state. For example, we can see that Abdullah is in adherence to his schedule and is on his lunch break, whereas Lilith is out of adherence, and we can see that she should be working on the Tier 3 workstream, but she is currently working on the messaging workstream. Finally, the status and status duration columns indicate the agent's current voice channel status, such as online or away for example, and how long they have had the status for. You can choose which columns are visible in the agent status page. For example, if you do not support a voice channel, then you can remove these columns from the view. Note that the data displayed is refreshed around every 30 seconds, meaning you do not need to refresh the page manually. Now, you can apply filters to your agent status page. These will help you dive into specific segments of your agents and their activities. For example, by selecting untracked agents, you can see which agents are online but are not currently engaged in any activity. By checking in with these agents, you can uncover the reasons behind this, whether it's that they simply forgot to clock into their break or general task, or they might be slacking. This filter can help uncover inefficiencies in your team and present coaching opportunities for specific agents around time management. We see teams getting a lot of value from the agent status page by using multiple filters to gain granular insights and pivot the team as needed. For example, Greg, a customer support manager, is able to quickly zoom in on his own team's status by hiding the agents with no activity. These are the agents who are not currently scheduled to be working, as well as adding a filter to only display his own team. This makes it easier for Greg to spot patterns within his team and make decisions on the go. For example, Greg can see that both Lilith and Riley are out of adherence to their schedule, and by digging deeper, he sees that Riley is supposed to be on his lunch break, but instead is 10 minutes into a Tier 2 ticket. Greg can open the ticket to see if he can help Riley to solve it. He could reassign it to another agent on the team, or he can extend Riley's lunch break in the schedule to ensure he has time to eat. Likewise, he is able to see that Lilith should be working on the Tier 3 workstream, but is stuck in a 12-minute long chat with a customer. He can again dive into the ticket to see if he can help, or make a scheduling change if the messaging queue is busier than expected. This helps Greg and other support leaders to solve potential scheduling issues on the go before they become bigger problems. There are several other useful filtering options, bringing you greater clarity into your team's current workloads. When you are done with the filters, you can easily reset them by clicking the Reset button, allowing you to select new conditions for the areas you want to explore.